Now we will discuss about arithmetic operator. So what is the arithmetic operator, guys? Yesterday we discussed, I think, few scenarios we discussed, right? So what is the arithmetic operator? If you want to perform arithmetic operator, to whom we can perform? Only for if we apply any arithmetic operator between two variables a and b, then the result type is always what? Yesterday we discussed it, right? The result type always max of int comma type of first variable, type of second variable. Okay, so yesterday I think we discussed it. Okay, and arithmetic operator, I mean increment decrement operators also we see. Okay, no need to discuss, right? We no need to summarize any again. Okay, we will directly go for other part of arithmetic operator. So we will summarize again. We are wasting time. Okay, come on, guys. Now, so what are the arithmetic operators, guys? Tell me, what are the arithmetic operators? Yesterday we discussed it, right?
Plus, minus.
Yeah.
Minus.
Plus, minus.
Multiplication.
Star. And
modulo.
And modulo. Okay. So these are the arithmetic operators, right? These are the arithmetic operators. I think yesterday we discussed about one arithmetic operator called plus, right? So now let me go with another one. Yeah. Now, so let's suppose I'm giving, okay? So what I'm giving, system dot out dot println of, okay? System dot out dot println of 10 divided by 0. Okay? 10 divided by 0. So what is the output, guys? Come on, guys. What is the output here?
Compile time error.
Compile time error?
I think right.
Okay, let me write few examples. Tell me, guys. Now, directly I'm writing system.out.println, guys. Okay, no need to explain the class and all, right? Okay, directly I'm writing here. Okay, so we will see. We will see in the even Eclipse or our manual approach also we will see. But try to tell me what is the answer. So this is the first scenario. Okay, and after that I have one more scenario called system.out.println of, okay, println of 10 divided by, okay, 0.0. This is the another scenario. And after that system.out.println of, okay, so let me take minus 10 divided by 0.0. Okay, understand? Okay, tell me, only these things is enough, guys. Yeah, tell me. After that we will go for other way. Yeah, so tell me, what is the output here? System.out.println of 10 by 0, system.out.println 10 by 10 divided by 0.0, and system.out.println of minus 10 divided by 0.0. Tell me, guys. Come on, fast. The people who knows Java, Ignesh, you can tell. What error? You have to tell the.
Anything
what type of error it is? Anything divided by 0.
Compile time error.
Compile time error.
Runtime error.
What kind of runtime error, Triveni?
10 divided by 0.
Huh?
Undefined arithmetic.
You tell me, just in mathematics, tell me, what is the value 10 divided by 0? In mathematics, tell me. Forget about Java. Infinity. Right? So we are getting infinity. Okay. So here we are getting arithmetic exception, guys. Runtime exception called arithmetic exception divided by 0. Okay. So here in mathematics, when you take 10 divided by 0, so what is the value we will get? Infinity, right? So there is no specific value. We are getting infinity. Okay. So in Java, to represent infinity, see here 10 is what? Integral value, right? So what are the integral types, guys? In Java, what are the integral types? Come on. What are the integral types?
Byte, short,
Byte, short,
short,
int,
int,
long. These are what? Integral types. What are the floating point data types in Java?
double,
Float and
float.
double. Okay. So integral data types are byte, short, int, long. Come on, guys. Okay, we discussed, right? Why you guys are not telling when I'm asking? You have to tell, guys. So in Java, right? So this is what? 10 divided by 0. 10 is what? Integral type. Okay. So 0 is what? Integral type. Okay. So in Java, for integral data type values, okay, if you are divide, okay, if you get any kind of infinity, when you try to divide those values, to represent that infinity, we don't have any value, guys, in Java. So that's why compiler don't know, I mean, JVM don't know anything about to represent this infinity. There is no value for Java, okay. So that's why JVM will throw a runtime exception called arithmetic exception 10 divided by 0. Understand, guys? Come on,
Yes,
everyone. Okay. So
Yes, sir.
if you divide any value, if you divide anything divided by 0, okay, any number divided by 0 means in Java always it's okay. What is the output we will get? Runtime exception. Okay. What is the runtime exception here?
arithmetic.
Arithmetic exception.
Arithmetic exception. Okay. Arithmetic exception divided by 0. Divided by 0, guys. Divided by 0. Okay. So this is the arithmetic exception we are getting. Okay. So let me write that point, guys. Here itself, let me write. What is the point, guys? So in the integral, okay, in the integral arithmetic, okay, in integral arithmetic, what are those integral arithmetics, guys? Byte, short, int, long, right? In the integral arithmetic, okay, there is no way to represent infinity. Understand? In Java. So there is no way to represent infinity in Java. Hence, if infinity is the result, what we will get? Hence, if infinity is the result, we will get, what we will get? Runtime exception.
Runtime.
Okay. Runtime exception called ARI, arithmetic exception. Okay. Arithmetic exception. Understand, guys? In integral arithmetics, guys. Okay. See here, 10 divided by 0. 10 is what? Integral value. 0 is what? Integral value. In the integral arithmetic, what are those? Byte, short, int, long. Okay. So there is no way to represent infinity in Java. Hence, if infinity is the result, we will get runtime exception called arithmetic exception. Understand? Come on, guys. Everyone. Hello. Can you please unmute yourself and tell me?
Yes,
So
sir.
here, see, system.out.println now 10 divided by 0, guys. Okay. So let's suppose keep it Java. Okay. Let's suppose Java. Okay. I mean, we no need to talk about Java first. We will talk about directly in the in the mathematics way. So anything divided by 0 in mathematics, what is the value, guys? Infinity. Come on. Infinity, right? Anything, any number, if you divide 0, what is the value?
Infinity.
Infinity. So that one, everyone clear, right? For that, mathematics. Okay. So now, in Java, to represent infinity, so there is no way, guys. There is no value to represent that infinity, guys, in Java. So that's why JVM don't know anything about it. So what we need to display. So that's why JVM always trying to through
Yes.
arithmetic runtime exception called arithmetic exception divided by 0. Hope you people understand. Shall we go?
Sir.
Okay. Now, come on. Next one. System.out.println 10 divided by 0.0. Tell me, what is the answer, guys, here? Tell me here, what is the output?
Infinite.
Tell me, guys, what is the output here? Array?
Infinity. Sir.
Infinity is output. Huh? Who is that? I'm asking output. When I try to execute this program, so what is the output I will get? Arithmetic exception. Come on. What is the output we will see? Okay. So here, okay, we will not get any arithmetic exception, guys. Okay. Here what we will get, infinity. Infinity is the output. Okay. It's a positive number, guys. It's a positive infinity. So here also we will get infinity. So this
Negative,
is what
sir.
negative infinity we will get. Okay. Why positive infinity? Why negative infinity? So here what? 10 divided by 0.0. 10 divided by 0.0. Okay. If 10 become what? 0.0 become what? Which type of value it is?
Float.
Huh?
Float type.
Float type. Huh?
Positive integral divided by float integral.
0.0 is float type. Huh? Triveni? What type it is?
Double.
Double. By default, what type?
Double.
Every floating point value by default what type, guys? Every decimal value by default what type it is? Double type.
Double.
Guys. Okay. So if you want to assign that value to float, means what we need to do? We need to keep we need to suffix with f.
F.
Don't forget that one.
Okay.
Okay. Come on. So already we discussed it, right? Yeah. Here 0.0 means what? Double type. Okay. Now 10 is what? 10 is what?
Int.
Actual int type. Okay. But here automatically it will promote to double type, guys. So here what is the value finally? 10.0 divided by 0.0. Understand? 10.0 divided by 0.0. 0.0 is double type, right? So automatically this int value will be promoted to double, guys. Okay. Remember that chart. Yesterday also we draw, right? Byte, short, char,
Yes,
int, okay, float, long, double. Okay. So automatically, okay, this what do you call? From left to right, types automatically will get promoted, guys. Okay. Now 10 will be promoted to what? 10.0 divided by 0.0. Now what it is? Floating point data types, right? Float and double, what kind of data types these are? Floating point data types. Okay. So in Java, so there is a way, guys. So here what? 10.0 divided by 0.0. In mathematics, what is the value we will see? What is the value we will see in the mathematics? Infinity.
Infinity.
Right? Manisarati, who dropped off here? You guys are dropped off here.
Kavya.
Kavya and the Bhuvana,
Yes.
the people who joined newly. I don't know why these guys are joining and going off here. Okay, guys. Okay. Come on. So no. Tell me, in the mathematics, 10.0 divided by 0.0. So what would be the value, guys? Infinity, right? In the mathematics, guys. Come on, tell me in the mathematics now.
Infinity.
10.0 divided by 0.0 means what? Infinity, right? So to represent infinity, now 10.0 comma 0.0, what type of values these are? Floating point data types. Okay. In the floating point data types, to represent infinity, So there is a way, guys. Okay, there is a way. So there is a infinity, positive infinity and negative infinity. These are two constants available in, okay, this floating point data types, guys. So by using those, we can represent this infinity value. Come on, understand? If you take integral data type values also, if you divide 10 divided by 0 means what we will get? Infinity only. But to represent that infinity, there is no way, guys. Way in integral data types arithmetic. Okay, so that's what JVM will throw arithmetic exception. Clear, everyone? Now, coming to floating point data types. Even if you take floating point arithmetics, okay, to represent infinity. See, here also we will see what is the value finally, infinity only. 10.0 divided by 0.0 means what we will see, infinity only. But to represent that infinity, there is a way in floating point arithmetic. So what is that way? Infinity. There is a constant, guys. Understand? So that's why here what is the output we will see? Infinity, positive infinity. Understand? Instead of arithmetic exception, here we will see infinity as an output. Clear, everyone? Come on, guys.
Yes,
Tell
sir.
me. Yeah. Now coming to the other one. Minus 10 divided by 0.0. So now minus 10 will promote to what? 10.0. Minus 10.0 divided by 0.0. So what is the value in the mathematics? We will see
Infinity.
infinity as an output, right? Infinity. We will see the infinity. So to represent the infinity in the floating point arithmetic, there is a way. So what is that way? There is a negative infinity is a value to represent that value. So that's what here we will see output as, okay, negative infinity. Instead, arithmetic exception. Understand? Clear, everyone?
Yeah, yes, sir.
So now, yeah, in floating point, what is the point, guys? In floating point arithmetic, there is a way to represent infinity, right? Right, there is a way to represent infinity. For this, float and double classes contains what? For this, what are the floating point data types? Float and double, right? Double classes contains, okay, below constants, guys. Okay, below constants. What are those? Negative, infinity. Okay, the other one is positive infinity. Constants. Okay, constants means what is the naming conventions? All letters should be capital, and if you have two words, those two words should be separated with underscore. Come on, yesterday we discussed, right? There is a constant. In floating point arithmetic, there is way to represent infinity for this float and double classes contains below constants. Okay, below constants. Okay, now below constants. Hence, come on. Hence, if the result is infinity, come on. If the result is infinity, then we will not get any, come on, any arithmetic exception. Okay, guys?
Okay.
In floating point, come on, arithmetic, right? Understand? There should be capital arithmetic. Okay, so what is the value here? We will see infinity, positive infinity or negative infinity. So these are the outputs, guys. Here I'm writing output. Okay, see here, positive infinity. Here negative infinity. Let me put positive infinity. Here what? Negative infinity. Okay. Clear, everyone?
Yeah.
Okay. Now let me show you guys. Okay. There we will see directly go for Eclipse IDE. Let me write in Eclipse. So now we'll create one Java project. Yeah. So what is the project, guys? Come on. Arithmetic operator demo. Okay. Let me write like this. Demo is the project. Next, finish. Okay. Now we'll create class. New class. Come on. What is the class? ARI arithmetic. Okay. Arithmetic operators. Okay. Let me write like this. Now I'm taking PSVM also. Class also ready. Okay. Here I'm taking something. What I'm taking here? See, int. Okay. Int variable. Okay. So let me write. Take int x is equal to 10. Int x is equal to 10. Okay. So now after that, what I'm taking directly sys out. Okay. Just I want to show you, right? Here what? X divided by 0.
0.
Okay. Instead of directly writing 10 divided by 0, just I'm assigning that value to variable and x divided by 0. Fine, right? Everyone, understand? Come on, guys.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So now, and one more thing. Now, sys out. Here, what I'm taking, x divided by 0.0 I'm taking. Fine. Next one. Sys out. Here. Okay. Directly, let me take -10, guys. Okay. -10 divided by 0.0. So these are the things we see, right? Now, if you see, we will get, now let me comment this, because we will get, when you try to execute this one, what we will see, runtime exception, right? What is the exception you are seeing? Exception in thread main, java.lang. Arithmetic exception divided by 0. Understand? Divided by 0. So this is the runtime exception we are seeing. All right. So already we discussed, right? So now, why we are seeing arithmetic exception, already we discussed it, guys. Now, let me uncomment this one. So now, if you execute this one, what we will see, guys?
Positive.
Infinity. Can you see the output as an infinity here?
Yes.
We did not see any arithmetic exception, guys, here. Okay. Now, let me comment this one and uncomment the below one. Okay. Now, so see, what is the output you are seeing here? Come on, negative infinity. Understand? The above one is positive infinity. The below one is negative infinity. Let me uncomment these two. Now, if you see, negative infinity, positive infinity, and negative infinity. Understand? Clear, everyone?
Yes.
Okay. So now I will give you one more scenario, guys. Okay. Let me copy this class. Okay. Come on. So now we will go for other scenario, guys. We'll go for other scenario. What is the other scenario? Okay. Now here system.out.println. Okay. I'm taking 0 divided by 0. Okay, 0 divided by 0. And another one is system dot out dot println of, okay, system dot out dot println of 0, okay, divided by 0 dot 0. Okay, and another one is system dot out dot println of, come on, minus 0.0 divided by 0, guys. What is the output, guys, here? Okay, what is the output here? Okay, we will see the first one. In the first one, so 0 divided by 0 means what?
Anything divided by 0. So that time arithmetic.
In the arithmetic, what it is? Undefined, actually. 0 divided by 0 means what? Undefined,
Undefined.
right? So in the Java, to represent this undefined, okay, in the integral data types, there is no way, guys. Understand? The same way. There is no way to, okay, to represent this, okay, undefined value for integral arithmetics. So that's what here also we will see what?
Arithmetic exception.
Arithmetic exception. Okay, runtime exception called what? Arithmetic exception. Okay, by 0 divided by 0. This is the arithmetic exception we are seeing. But here, when you come to 0 divided by 0.0, what it is, guys? Integral data types or floating point data types? The second one. Come on, guys. 0.0 means what type? Floating point data types, right? So in the floating point literal, so the 0 also it will promote to what? 0 is what?
0.0.
Integer, but automatically it will promote to double. Okay. So now 0.0 divided by 0.0. So in the mathematics, there is no way. So what we will see in the mathematics? Undefined. To represent this undefined in floating point arithmetic, there is a way, guys. So what is that way? NaN. NaN. Understand? NaN, guys. NaN. Okay, this is the constant actually. Okay, NaN was constant. To represent this one in floating point arithmetic, floating point arithmetic means what? In the float clause and double clause, there is a constant called NaN, not a number. NaN means what? Not a number. To represent this, there is a constant. So that's what here what we will see NaN as an output, guys. Okay, but here also, what is the output, guys? In negative numbers also, we have NaN as an output, guys. Okay, but if you see the same thing for arithmetic, integral arithmetic, we will see runtime exception called arithmetic exception divided by 0. Come on.
Yeah, okay.
Okay, let me write that point. What is that point, guys? In integral arithmetic, okay, to represent undefined, right? Undefined. To represent undefined value, there is no way. Okay, there is no way. Okay, if the value is undefined, value means if the result is undefined. Sorry, if the result is undefined. Okay, in arithmetic, in integral arithmetic, we will get runtime exception called arithmetic exception. Understand? Clear, everyone? The first point.
Yeah.
But the second point, what is the second point, guys, here? In floating point, okay? In floating point arithmetic, to represent undefined value, there is a way. Okay, there is a way. If the the result is undefined, then okay, we will not get runtime exception called arithmetic exception. What we will get? We will get NaN, not a number. Not a number. Is the output. Understand? So, there what? NaN is a constant for constant for which class? Note and come on. Double classes. These are what? Wrapper classes. Clear everyone? Okay. You want to see? Come on, guys. Let me write. Here, what is the value? Let me comment this one. Directly I will write. System dot, okay, out dot println now. Here what?
0.0.
0.0. Directly I'm writing, guys. Okay. Here also, what I'm doing? 0 divided by 0. Okay. Here what I'm doing?
Minus
0.0 divided by 0. Okay. See here. 0.0 means what? Double type. Here 0 is what? Integral type. But it is a double type, right? So automatically this integral type will be promoted to what? Double. Okay. 0.0 will be added by compiler. Okay. Here also 0.0. So this one what? 0. 0 is integral. This is what? Double. But this 0 also will be automatically promoted to double. Understand? Will be compiler. Here also what? 0.0 minus 0.0 divided by 0.0 like this, guys. Now, if you try to execute, what is the output, guys? Arithmetic exception. Right? Java.Lang dot arithmetic exception divided by 0. Why? In the first line itself, it is failing, right? Come on.
Yeah.
Here, arithmetic exception. Now, let me comment this first one. Now, we will see. NaN. Understand?
Yeah.
Clear, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now, see, if you want to see which one? Float, right? Float means, I think, which package is java.lang package. Huh? Okay. So now, I think here also we can see. Okay. Now see, FLOAT. See? See NaN. There is a NaN, right?
Yeah.
Come on, guys. Can you see? So these are what? Properties of that class, float class. Float is what? Float is what? Wrapper class. Come on. For every primitive type, there is a wrapper
Yes,
class
sir.
in Java.
Yeah.
Okay. So here what? Max endpoint, max value, min exponent, min normal, min value. So what are these, guys? What are these?
Properties.
Yeah, properties only. What are these? Constants. See, yesterday, the day before yesterday class, we discussed about the naming conventions in Java, right? For
Yeah.
constants, how can we define constants? All
All
should be
All are
capital letters.
capital
So
letters.
these are what? Constants. Okay. Here see NaN. So there is a NaN value, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So this is the constant, right? Where in float class to represent undefined value. See here negative infinity and positive infinity. There is a negative infinity, positive infinity constants, right? To represent what? Okay, infinity, guys. Okay. So now, if you want, we can see in double also, same thing will be there. DOUBLE. Okay. Let me hit dot C now.
Then
NaN, negative infinity, positive infinity. There, right? Okay. There are these three constants, right, in class. So that's what we are getting. Okay. Output as different. Instead, arithmetic exception. Now, let's me go with integral data types. What are the integral data types? Let me go for integer first. INT is here. Integer, right? The class. Wrapper class. Now, if you click on dot, see here, is there any
No,
infinity here?
no.
How many constants we have? Only 3 constants, right?
Max.
Bytes, max value, min value,
Min
size
value.
type. See, other than this, there is no other constant. Okay, so there is no infinity and there is no NaN. Understand? If you go for even other integral data types called long. Okay, see here. Here also there is no infinity and there is no NaN, not a number. Clear? Tell me, system.out.println now. Okay, so let's suppose 10. Okay, let's suppose I'm taking 10 value. 10 greater than, okay, float dot NaN. Float dot NaN. See here, what is NaN, guys? What is NaN? What type of variable, guys, it is? NaN. How can you access instance variable?
By creating object.
By using object reference. How can you access static variable?
Class name.
Class name.
By using class name. Here float is what?
Class. Wrapper class.
Wrapper class.
Float is what? Class name, right?
Yes, sir.
By using class name only, I am
Variable.
accessing NaN. NaN is what type of variable it is? Static variable. You can see here Java C. You get right? Java P, Java dot lang dot Java dot lang dot. What is, guys? Float, right? See here what I'm saying, guys. By using Java profile, okay, Java P is there is a tool, guys. Java P in Java. By using Java P, you can see, okay, all the classes profiles, guys. The classes who are provided Java people, right? So float is who provided? Who created this float class? We created or Java people created? Come on, guys, unmute yourself and tell me, follow me.
Java people.
Java people created, right? Float. Java.lang.float. This is the class name, guys. Who created this one? Java people created. So I want to see the profile of, okay, float class. See here where it is. Which one I want to see? NaN. See here. What type of variable it is?
Static.
Static variable. Understand? Static variable. And this is a constant. That's what we are keeping final.
Okay.
Understand? Why we are keeping final keyword? If you keep final keyword means what?
We cannot
Variable
change.
will become final, I mean constant. We cannot change this value. Okay. So here see static variable. So that's what. How can we access static variable? By using class name. Float dot NaN. Understand? See all these are the properties. See how many properties we have. Okay, these are the methods. Okay, hash code, float value, these are methods. These are properties. Okay, understand? Yeah. Now, now come on. So this one 10 greater than float dot nan. Now what is the output, guys? Here 10 value is greater than float dot nan value. Like that I'm asking. Okay, here it is give you false, guys. Okay, float dot nan. Now nan is what? Not a number. Okay, so we cannot compare NaN value with anything, guys. If you try to compare any value with NaN number, always we will get false. Understand? Always we will get false. Now, if you try to see system dot out dot println of, okay, let's suppose instead of 10, any number, guys, any value if you take. Now, less than or is equal to float dot NaN. What is the value? What is the output you will see finally?
False.
False only. Okay. If you compare float dot NaN or double dot NaN with any value, what is the output we will see? False only. Understand? Okay.
Yeah.
Now let me give you one thing, guys. Here system dot out dot println. Okay. Here I'm trying float dot NaN. Okay, float dot NaN. Okay. Float dot NaN. Here what I'm trying to do, double is equal to, okay, float dot NaN. What is the output, guys, now? And capital guys. So what is the output here? Double is equal to means what? Okay, here, let me explain. See, is equal to operator. So we will use is equal to operator to assign value to that variable. Let's suppose, okay, in x is equal to 10. Okay, what I'm doing here, I'm assigning value 10 to variable called x. Okay, I'm assigning value 10 to variable called x. This is what assigning. Okay, now if I try to compare 10, double is equal to 10 means what? Here double is equal to, in which purpose we will use, guys? In what purpose we will use double is equal? To compare two values. Here I'm comparing 10 and 10. I'm comparing these two values. Understand?
Yes.
Double is equal to operator we will use for comparison, guys. Okay. So 10, double is equal to 10. What is that? 10 double is equal to 10. True or false?
True.
True. 10 equal to 10, right?
True.
Yeah.
Right. Okay. Now, int x is equal to 10 and int y is equal to 10. Okay. Now, I'm trying to compare x double is equal to y. What is the output here? True.
True.
Okay. X value 10, y value 10. 10 double is equal to 10. Here what? Double is equal to operator means what? Comparison. True. Understand? Come on, guys. Everyone.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah.
Accept.
So now, here, tell me float dot n double is equal to float dot nan. What is the value? Output. I'm asking output. Tell me, guys. What is the output here? Right?
True.
Huh? True. Actually, people will say true because what? Float nan double is equal to float nan. But what is the value? False only. So that's what. If you want to compare any value, even the same value with float dot nan, always the result will be false, guys. Understand? Okay, that's you have to remember. And even the not is equal to operator. This is what double is equal to operator. Okay. If you put not is equal to operator, what is the output here? Float dot
True.
nan not is equal to float dot nan. Definitely it will become what? True. Okay. Let me write here. This is false. This is what? True. Okay, fine. This is true. Okay, so that's what, guys. We have to remember these two. Yeah. What is the other operator, guys? Next one, string concatenation operator. Yeah, for string concatenation operator. Okay, so what is the operator for to concate two strings, guys? Again, plus only. Understand? Again, plus only. So if you try to concate two string values, okay, so what is the output you will see finally? Come on, what is the output you will see finally?
String.
String only. Understand?
String.
So if you try to concate two string values, again you will see is what output? String only. Okay. If you try to concate one string value to any other primitive type, what is the output, guys? Again string only. Understand? Understand or not? Okay, let me explain you. Okay. In Java, okay, we have primitive types. Okay, string is also one kind of type. String is what type, guys? Reference type, right? So remaining 8 types are remaining print, the double float, all these we have, right? What are those? Primitive data types. Okay. Now string concatenation operator. So here the only overloaded operator in Java is plus operator. Sometimes it acts as a arithmetic addition operator, and sometimes it acts as a string concatenation operator. So how? Let's suppose I have a Java is a one string, guys. Understand? So I have one more string called training. Okay. I have one more string called training. Okay. Now I want to concat these two strings. How can I concat? Java, come on. Java plus training. Right? So what is the answer? What is the answer?
Java
Java
training.
training. Java training. So this is the answer. T capital. Let me. Okay. No. Java training is what? Output. Now here Java is what type, guys? Java is what type? If you put anything under double quote means what value? What kind of
String.
literal it is? String literal. Come on, don't forget, guys. Already we discussed. Yeah. Now training. Training is what?
String.
String. So we are putting under double quote. This is what? String literal. Now string plus string. Okay. We are concatenating. Okay. We are concatenating two strings here. So what is the output type here? Again, string only.
String.
Java training. Okay. Again, string only. See, what is the operator we are using here? Plus. Plus is what? Arithmetic operator. We see, right? Already we discussed, right? Arithmetic operator. Come on. Arithmetic operator we discussed, right? The plus symbol. Okay. So here only operator in Java. Okay. So we use both arithmetic operator and string concatenation operator. What is that operator? Plus. Understand? The only overloaded operator in Java is plus operator. Sometimes it acts as a arithmetic addition operator, and sometimes it acts as a string concatenation operator. Okay? Let me write that point. Only operator. Okay, what is the operator? Plus, right? Only operator plus in Java acts as a both arithmetic addition and string concatenation operator. Okay, we will use for both purpose. Arithmetic addition purpose also we will use this operator, and string concatenation purpose also we will use the same plus operator. Clear? We'll write one more point. What is the one more point here? The plus operator. See, now we are applying this plus operator for whom? Two argument values, right? If two argument values, okay? If two argument values are number type, then this plus operator, okay? This plus operator act as a what? Arithmetic
Arithmetic
addition. Okay? Arithmetic addition. Next one. In the two arguments, if any argument value, okay, is a string, then this operator, what is the operator? Plus operator, right? Act as what?
String
String concatenation operator. Clear everyone? Okay, example. So let's suppose int x is equal to, okay, 10, right? And int y is equal to 20. Okay, so now what I'm doing here, int z is equal to x plus y. Okay, so what is the output here? System dot out dot println of z means
30. 30.
30. Right. Here, this plus operator acting is what? Arithmetic addition operator. Understand? Arithmetic addition operator. Fine. Now, in the same example, if I take, let me write here. Can I write here? No. Okay, fine. So here. Okay. Then what I'm doing? Another example I'm taking. Now, see, string, okay, string something s is equal to, okay, Java I'm taking. Okay, string s is equal to Java I'm taking. And after that, in x is equal to 10 I'm taking. Understand? Now what I'm doing? System dot out dot println of system dot out dot println of, okay, yes, okay, plus x. What is the output, guys, here?
Java 10.
Java 10. Understand? Java 10 is what? Output. So here plus operator act as what? String concatenation. Understand? String concatenation. In the two arguments, if any argument value as a string literal or string, okay, then this plus operator act as what? String concatenation operator. Come on, guys. Clear? String A is equal to something I'm giving. So what I'm giving here? Something, okay, Java I'm giving. Okay, fine. Any string value, right? So Java I'm giving, guys. Fine. Now, okay, Java I'm giving. And after that, here I'm taking int b. B is equal to 10 I'm giving. Okay. And after that, int c is equal to 20 I'm giving. Okay. After that, int d. D is equal to 30 I'm giving. Fine. So now I'm asking system dot out dot println of system dot out dot println of, okay, A plus B plus C plus D. Right, is going here. C plus D. Okay. This is the one. And after that, I'm asking system dot out dot println of, okay. System dot out dot println of, what is the other one? A plus B plus C plus D, right? Next one, A okay, B plus, okay, C plus D plus A, like this. Okay, this is the second option. The third one, system dot out dot println of, okay. Let me write anything, okay, fine. Now B plus, okay, A plus C plus D. This is the another scenario. Let me give another scenario like, okay, C plus D plus, okay, A plus, what is the other one? B. Tell me what is the answer, guys, here. Understand? What is my question?
Yes, sir.
Tell me. See, string concatenation operator. It's very easy, right?
Java,
Your output. Java.
Java 102030.
Nice. Java 102030. Fine. What about this one?
60 Java.
60 Java, na? What is the output here?
10 Java
10 Java
2030.
2030. What about here?
50 Java 10.
50 Java 10.
10.
Yeah, correct. Triveni. Okay, exactly. The output what you are telling is exactly correct. See here. Understand, guys, everyone? See what we are doing here. System.out.println of A plus B plus C plus D. A is what, guys? A is what letter? What is the value for A? String, right? String plus, okay. B is what? Integer. Understand? Here. Okay, let me write, guys. Here. How it will become, right? Now, first, it will take first two, guys. A plus B. What is A plus B, guys? See, always, okay, this is what? Arithmetic operator, right? So, always, for arithmetic operator, compiler give high preference, guys. High precedence value. High precedence means so here plus, minus, what do you call? Division and modulo, right? So among these, what is high preference? High precedence one, modulo. After that, division. After that, okay, minus. After that, plus. Okay, but here plus only. See here, we have taken A plus B plus C plus D. How many operators we are using? 3 operators. Okay, plus, plus, plus. So, plus is what? Same precedence. So, if the same precedence is there, then always, okay, evolution will start from left to right, guys. Understand? Evolution will start from what? Left to right. Clear? Hello, come on, guys. Evolution will start from left to right. So here what? Same precedence. Plus, 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 plus. So always, okay, the evolution start from left to right, guys. The plus is what? Same level precedence. If you have division, then first division value will take first priority. After that, it will go to plus priority. Understand? But here what? All are plus. We will see, don't worry. Okay. So all are plus means from left to right, the evaluation will be performed, guys. Okay. So now, so what is this first one? A plus B. This is the first bracket, right? A plus B. Okay. How many pluses here? 3 pluses, right? First one, A plus B. This is 1. After that, the result will become B plus C. And after the result will become result plus D. Okay. Now, A plus B. So what is the A plus B, guys? Here, A is what? Java. B is what? 10. Okay. Now, Java plus 10. What is the result value? What is the result value? A plus B result is what? Java 10. After that, the result plus C. Right?
Java
Result plus C. What is the C value? 20.
20.
Okay.
Java
Now
10.
Java 10 what? String. Java 10 what? String, right?
String.
Anything if you append with string means it will become what? String only. Now result will Java 10 is string plus 20. String plus 20 means what? Again?
String on.
Java 10.
Java
Java 10
10,
20. This is the string. Java 10 20 will become what? String only. Right? So after that, what we are doing? Plus D.
Plus D.
So the result plus D. What is the plus? D here, what is the value?
30.
30 plus.
Plus 30, right? Plus 30 means what is the value finally? String
Java.
only, right? String plus integer will become what? String only, right? Java 10, 20, 30. Understand why output Java 10, 20, 30? Okay,
Yes,
now
sir.
come to here. B plus C plus D plus A. So B plus C is what? B is what, guys? 10, integer. C is what? 20, integer. Here, plus symbol act as what? Arithmetic
Arithmetic
addition.
operator.
Arithmetic addition, right? 10 plus 20. First, B plus C, right? Left to right, right. Evaluation will be taken care. B plus C means what?
10 plus 20.
Come on. 10 plus 20. 10 plus 20 become what? 30.
30.
10 plus 20 first will become what?
30.
30. So that is the result. Result plus D, right? Result plus D. D is what? Again, int type, 30. So now this plus symbol act as what? Arithmetic addition. 30 plus 30 is equal to what? 60.
60.
Okay. Now 60, the result plus
A.
cost
Java.
A is what? Java. Java is what? String.
60 Java.
Now integer plus string. Now plus symbol act as what? String
String
concatenation.
concatenation.
Okay. What is the output here? 60 Java.
String.
No, 60 Java is what? String type. Come on. If you concat any value to string, what is the output, guys? What is the result, guys? Again, string type only. Clear, everyone? In the same way, so here also we have 10 Java 20, 30. Here we have 50 Java 10. Clear, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, let me write one more scenario here. The same example. Okay. We will take this. So here, string A is equal to Java, int B is equal to 20, int C is equal to 20, int D is equal to 30. Right? Now, what I'm doing here, I'm assigning, okay, let me write. I'm assigning B plus C plus okay. Now, fine. Come on. So what I'm doing now? B plus C plus D. Okay. This value I'm assigning to variable A. Understand? I'm assigning variable A. Is it valid? Okay. I'm assigning variable A. No. I'm trying to do one more scenario, guys, here. What I'm trying to do, I'm assigning C plus D plus A. Okay. No. I'm assigning B equals to A plus C plus D. Fine. Tell me. What is the first one? Here. What you will see? Do you see any error here?
No.
Hmm?
No, sir.
No. What is the output then? What I'm doing here?
We are assigning A
Hmm.
equals to 10
Hmm.
plus 20 plus 30.
10 plus 20 plus 30 become what?
60.
60.
Then
60.
A equals
I'm assigning to whom?
A.
A. A is what?
60.
A is what type?
String type.
So can you assign 60? 60 is what type of value? Integral
Integer.
value. So can you assign integral value to string type?
No.
Then why you are saying 60? What is the error message you see here? What is the error message you see?
Convert.
Array, come on, tell me, guys. We completed, right? All these topics. Array,
Okay, pause.
can you assign like this?
No.
String x is equal to 60.
Uncomfortable.
Can I assign like this?
No, sir.
Here 60 is what? Integral value.
Integral one.
I'm trying to assign this integral value to whom? String type. You cannot assign, right?
Incompatible also.
Incompatible types. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Incompatible types. Compile time error we are getting, guys, here. What is the compile time error? Incompatible.
Incompatible loss.
Incompatible types. Okay. Found.
Found int
Required
string.
string. So this is the compile time error we will see. Okay. Now tell me this one. C plus D plus A. C means what? 20, right? D is what? 30. 20 plus 30, 50. 50 plus A. A is what? Java. What is the output? What is the output here? C plus D plus A. Tell me, guys. C plus D plus A. What is the output? C plus D plus A. What is the output? 50 Java, right? Now 50 Java will become what? Which type?
String.
String type. Anything if you concat with string means result should be string.
String.
Now this string type I'm assigning to whom? Variable
A.
called A. So what type of variable it is? A?
String.
String. So is it valid or invalid?
Valid.
Valid. Okay. Perfectly valid, guys. Okay. Now come to this one. Tell me here. A plus C plus D. What is this? A is what?
Java 50.
Java 50. Java 50 will become what? String.
String.
Right? Java 50 will become what? String. Now I'm assigning the string value to whom? Variable called B. So what is the type of B variable? What is the type of B variable B? Int. Can I assign string value to int type?
No.
What is the error we will see here?
Incompatible.
Compile time error. Again, incompatible type. Okay. Incompatible type. Found something. What is it? Found is
Found
string.
string.
Sorry. Found string.
Required int.
Required int. Clear?
Yes.
Everyone?
Sir.
Clear, right? Any questions?
Yeah.